Yeah, this week EURUSD Technical Analysis. This is 4-hour time frame. You can remove this trend line. Okay. So we can go for 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. This week it will give small correction. It will go up. If I take Fibonacci from here to here, understand? Yeah. Maybe up to 272 or 061 yet. Maybe it will reach this liquidity zone. Maybe it will take up to area. Once correction, it will go up. Thank you.